If you've ever spent hours posting on social media, tweaking funnels, maybe even running ads that just don't convert, you're not broken. You just haven't found the right system yet. I was there too. Blogging, posting, chasing TikTok trends, solo ads, you name it. I tried it, and I was this close to quitting. Then I found Facebook Leads Blueprint, the $7 mini course that teaches you how to get real leads for under $1, starting with just $5 a day. What's actually inside? It's not fluff. It's 7 short, over-the-shoulder video modules created by Gina, Babak, a full-time marketer with 6+ years in the trenches. Here's what you get. Module 1, why you're not getting leads. Spoiler, it's not your fault. You're just missing one key thing. Module 2, Facebook Lead Ads 101. No website, no funnel builder, no tech. Just collect emails inside Facebook. Module 3, his exact $5 per day campaign setup. He shows you how he got leads for 55 cents each. Yes, really. Module 4, how to create freebies that convert using AI tools like Leonardo AI and ChatGPT. No design skills needed. Module 5, his plug-and-play funnel connects your lead to a thank you page plus email sequence. Works for any offer. Module 6, scroll-stopping ad copy templates, even if you've never written an ad. Module 7, turning leads into buyers. Gina's 5-email sequence that converts on autopilot. Everything's beginner-friendly. No guesswork, just copy, paste, launch. Now, why is this only $7? Gina says it's to remove the risk, so anyone can finally start building a list without wasting hundreds on trial and error. And here's the kicker. Once you buy it, you unlock bonus access too. Promote this funnel yourself and keep 80% commissions. Yes, seriously. Turn what you bought into your income stream. For $7, you're not just getting a course. You're getting a traffic solution plus an income engine. And the best part, you can promote any offer through this system. Your coaching, your course, your affiliate link. So, who's this for? Coaches, course creators, affiliate marketers, anyone tired of posting and praying for traffic. People who don't have hundreds to blow on ads. Beginners who want a simple plug-and-play system. If that's you, this is a no-brainer.